Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook the best ribeye steak. First, let's prepare it. Choose a quality ribeye, at least 1½ inches thick, for the best results. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a great sear. Then, season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before you start cooking. This helps ensure even cooking throughout the steak. Now, let's get that incredible crust. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, aiming for a beautiful, deep brown crust. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if you have multiple steaks. After searing, you have a couple of options to finish cooking. You can transfer the steak to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or reduce the heat on the stovetop, add 2 tablespoons of butter, some crushed garlic, and fresh herbs. Baste the steak continuously with this aromatic butter for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook until it reaches your preferred internal temperature, for example, 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. The final, and arguably most crucial, step is resting. Once cooked, remove the steak from the heat and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 10 minutes. This allows the delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked ribeye against the grain into 1/2 inch thick pieces. Serve it immediately and enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.